What's up guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So I had thought that it would be fun to do a bit of a healthy grocery haul. Last night I went to Aldi, which I have not shopped at Aldi in a couple years. Me and Dion used to live at Aldi when we lived in Dallas, and then we moved to Austin. There's only one Aldi in Austin, but it was like far away from my house, so we never shopped there. So now that we're back in the Houston area, there's Aldis everywhere. So I went on a somewhat of a healthy food grocery haul last night just to stock up on some goodies for the month. Me and Dion tend to do like one big grocery haul or grocery shopping trip like every 3 to 4 weeks. Him and I, our diets are very different, and so we can actually keep our fridge almost stocked for an entire month. Maybe like at about like week 3, we'll have to like run to the store to get like little things here and there. But for the most part, we tend to just buy a bunch of stuff at one time, so you don't have to like always be going to the grocery store. Now there are certain things like milk, eggs, spinach, you know, small things that we'll run out of that we'll have to like run to the store real quick to go grab from like Target or HEB or something like that. But for the most part, as far as like a big shopping trip, we try to do it once like every 3 to 4 weeks. I went to the store last night. It was my first shopping trip of the year, and I'm trying to get better with my eating habits. I have said it before, and I was doing good last year, but then of course like the holidays just threw me off. No, not the holidays. Moving and getting adjusted, like honestly that whole time period threw me all the way off. And then it's like I never had a chance to like recuperate, mainly because whenever we were transitioning from Austin to Houston, we were with my parents for a month, and you know, we couldn't like really cook our usual meals and stick to our normal routine. So that just changed things for us. And then it was like the holidays, and it was bad, y'all. But we are trying to get better with our routine, and I do like to find a happy medium between healthy but also tasty, because I don't care how healthy it is. If it doesn't taste good to me and doesn't satisfy my taste buds, I do not like it. So first, I'm doing snacks first. I picked up these organic yellow corn tortilla chips. I love a good chip and salsa for snacks. I do snack a lot during the day, especially because I work from home. So I love snacks like chips and salsa. I also love like peanut butter and apples, or celery and peanut butter. I love nuts. So I try to keep it somewhat healthy during my snacking, but some days I go a little crazy. But these are non-GMO organic yellow tortilla chips. And I didn't realize how much I missed Aldi prices until I got to Aldi, y'all, because the stuff there is so cheap. If you are wanting to, you know, work on your grocery budget, check out Aldi. So I got these for a snack. I also picked up these non-GMO sweet potato chips. Now, I've never had these before, but I do like chips. I also do like sweet potatoes, so hopefully these are tasty. And they're gluten-free with no artificial flavors, no synthetic colors, and no preservatives. And it does have light sea salt on it. And then I also picked up, like I said, some peanut butter. This is organic creamy peanut butter, non-GMO. I also picked up some mild chunky salsa, of course, to go with the tortilla chips. And that is pretty much as far as snacks go. I think that's it. Okay, so as far as now for kind of lunch, think about lunchtime. So I picked up the Santa Fe style salad bowls from Aldi. And it has romaine lettuce, a salsa ranch dressing, a Southwest style chicken meat, roasted corn, a 4-cheese blend, and tortilla strips. And I got 2 of them for now. I'm gonna try them out and see how they are. But these are super convenient, especially for a quick go-to lunch, because whenever it comes to lunchtime, unless I have leftovers from the night before, I always struggle with what to make for lunch. Like, I don't know, I always struggle with what to make for lunch. So these are good, quick and easy go-tos. And then I also picked up some honey smoked turkey breast lunch meat. Again, in the spirit of trying to save money and eat what you have at home for lunch. Since I was a kid, I feel like sandwiches have always been a go-to for lunch. So I picked up this, and some 100% whole wheat bread. So I'll just do this, like some mustard, some spinach that I have here, and then probably like some of these chips here. And then of course, like some days I'll do some smoothies. This is not from Aldi. You guys know, if you guys have watched this for a while, you guys know how much me and Dion love we live in Texas, and here in Texas we have HEB, and we love the HEB Blendables smoothie mixes. Essentially, it's just pre-made fruit and vegetable packages. So like this one here has green apples, spinach, bananas, pineapples, and kale. This one here has mandarin orange, pineapple, mango, banana, and sweet potato. And then this one here has strawberries, bananas, and grapes. So pretty much we just take this mix, and then we actually take the fruit mix, and then we also add in a cauliflower medley mix. So this one here has broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. It sounds disgusting. It sounds disgusting, you guys, but it actually comes out so good. And again, I'm the kind of person that, like, if it's not good, I don't like it. Well, you should do like half a bag of the California medley, which again is the cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. And then one of these, a full bag of the blendable mixes. Take that, mix it with some spinach and some apple juice and water, and you have some bomb at-home smoothies. So that is also a good lunch option as well. Now, for dinner, again, you guys know I do not like to cook. So for me, whenever I'm cooking for just myself, I do a lot of frozen foods, which may, people have their own opinions about using frozen foods. I do cook stuff from scratch every now and then, but that's usually like if both me and Dion are eating. But he is on a fast right now, so it's mainly just me. So we have a lot of frozen goodies in here. And I love things that are easy enough to just pop in the oven, come out, and I eat it, okay? So I found these, they're actually like packs of different types of meats, right? So this right here is a Hawaiian style chicken. So it's grilled, boneless, skinless chicken thigh meat in teriyaki sauce with pineapple. And you get a lot of product. And I believe each of these were like $5, I think, and you get a lot of meat. So this will last me like 2 days at least. And that's 2 days with lunch and dinner. So I got this one. I also got this pork carnitas pack. And this one has seasoned and seared pork, slow cooked with citrus, and it's ready to shred. And of course, I did get tortillas for those. I also got a chicken fajitas one. Again, I'm all about convenience. So this one has grilled chicken breast with rib meat and a tangy chili sauce with fresh onions and bell peppers. And then the last one is the seasoned smoked pulled pork with barbecue sauce, and it's slow cooked with garlic and onions. So again, this easy meals I can just throw in the oven and, cook. And then of course I would eat those with, a nice balance of vegetables. So I bought this baby lettuce here that I can eat with that. I'm gonna also eat the vegetables, that same California medley that I bought for the smoothies. I can also eat that as well. So I could do that in like a smoothie, or like that and black beans, just balance it out. Okay, so these are actually Dion's like favorite veggie burgers. Now, I have always been afraid to eat veggie burgers. My favorite food is cheeseburgers, okay? So I am very particular about what goes in my body when it comes to burgers. And Dion actually made these a couple nights ago. They're the earth-grown, vegan, Southwestern style, black bean chipotle burgers. And he was cooking them, and he's talking about how good they were. And I was like, let me just take a bite. Let me take one bite and just see how it is. And y'all, for this to have no meat in it, it has vegetables, brown rice, black beans, and jalapeno peppers. But for this to have no meat in it, it is so good. So I got one pack of those, and then I also bought some brioche buns just to eat with the burgers for whenever I want to make those. But these are a really good, healthy option. Oh, I also picked up this salmon that I'm going to try. It's fresh from Aldi, so like they make it fresh and then seal it in this container. This is a Mediterranean herb Atlantic salmon portion. It's fresh, never frozen. I'm gonna make this tonight and just see how it is. It's funny because I have never really been a huge salmon person, but Dion has been making salmon very often recently and I have been loving it. And so I saw this small pack here and it is pre-seasoned. It's marinated already. It has the herbs and everything. So all I have to literally do is just pop it in the oven and bake it. Get some potatoes, you know, some spinach, some vegetables, some whatever, and call it a night. But I want to try it out and see how it is. I love things that come like pre-seasoned. Like whatever is easier for me is what I like. Again, Dion can't eat it right now, but if he was not on his fast, they also have like really huge salmon slabs at Aldi as well. And I'll just get that next time if we like it. So that's pretty much everything as far as my lunch options and dinner options goes. I didn't really mention anything about breakfast because I didn't really buy anything last night for breakfast. Well, except smoothies. I can do smoothies in the morning. But typically in the morning, I'll just do either like a Raisin Bran cereal or oatmeal. Keep my heart and cholesterol in check. I also did buy some other random things. I picked up the specialty salad dressing. So I picked up this raspberry vinaigrette. I also picked up this organic Caesar dressing from Aldi as well. And it is non-GMO. And then I also picked up this organic non-GMO aged balsamic vinaigrette dressing as well. So picked those up. I also randomly picked up this almond milk creamer. Now, I've never drunk almond milk before, ever. Picked up this almond milk creamer, which is of course non-dairy. Looking forward to tasting it just to see if I personally can taste the difference. And also if it is good, I will definitely let you guys know because I know there are people out there, you know, who can't do dairy. So this could be a pretty good option. I also picked up this random cold brew coffee. And this is also made with almond milk. It's dairy free. And I'm pretty sure it was part of the like holiday collection because it's peppermint mocha, limited edition. But it's from the brand Barissimo Coffee. But I feel like, you know, having a quick cold brew coffee in the fridge will not hurt on the days where I'm like in a rush. And then I also picked up 2 wines from Aldi as well. These are not healthy, y'all. This is just stuff that I saw that I was like, oh, that looks cool. I picked up this one here from the brand Llano Estacado. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's called Sweet Blush. And it says that the Llano Estacado Sweet Blush wine is lightly sweet with a crisp finish and aromas of fresh strawberries and raspberries, which is totally my vibe. So I got this. And then I also picked up this sangria. It's called the Velada Premium Sangria. And it's a sangria that's fused with Spanish red wine and Mediterranean fruit flavors and finishes with lively citrus flavor. So I will try this out as well. I love finding good affordable wine, especially for days where I just want to just unwind. So we'll see how these are. I've never tried any sort of wine or beverage like this from Aldi, so we'll see how this goes. And that is pretty much the gist of this haul. Oh, and then also I didn't mention that one thing that I also plan on doing with the chicken fajita meat is I also plan on using, just since it's already pre-made pretty much, I plan on using that to make like Chipotle bowls because you already have the meat and the veggies in there, and I already have rice and I have corn as well, so just in black beans. So taking the meat and adding in the black beans, the corn, and the rice, there goes a whole bowl right there. So I can't wait to try out not only these items, but also find new ways to incorporate them and create new healthier meals. Let me know down below if you guys have any suggestions as far as meals or meal plans I can follow to help me kind of stay somewhat healthy. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say that I'm trying to completely change my diet. I'm trying to go vegan. I'm trying to, you know, only eat plant-based items or trying to only eat, you know, fish and chicken. Like, no, I'm realistic and I know what I like, but I definitely want to be more mindful of what I am consuming and then slowly transition in more healthier options to substitute some of my go-tos. So hope you guys enjoyed this healthy food haul. And one more thing, you guys, is all of this food was about $100, which is good in my opinion for everything that I just named out. That is a really good deal. So hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know down below if you guys have tried out Aldi, and if so, what are some of your favorite things that you get from there. Please share with me. I would love suggestions so I can pick them up next time. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.